Namaste, Jevins. I, Jevins Sonopwani, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I delivered a lecture on this topic, Package of Practices of Price Group. Origin of rice. Origin Sitava is a scientific name. It is believed it is associated with the wet, humid climate. Though it is not a tropical plant, it is probably a descendant of wild grass that was most likely cultivated in the foothills of the far eastern Himalayas. Another schools of thought believe that rice plant may have originated in the southern India, then the spread to the north of the country, and then onwards to China. It then arrived in Korea and the Philippines, and then Japan and Indonesia. When the Alexander the Great invaded India in 327 BC, it is believed that took rice back to Greece. The journey of rice around the world has been slow, but once it took root, it stayed and became a major agriculture economic product for the people. In Indian subcontinent, more than a quarter of cultivated land is given to rice. It is a very essential part of the daily meal in the southern and eastern part of India. In the northern and central part of the subcontinent, where wheat is frequently eaten, rice hold it on and cooked daily as well as on festival and special occasion. History of rice in India. In India is an important center of rice cultivation. Thus, rice is cultivated on the largest area in India. Historians believe that while the Indica variety of rice was first domesticated in the area covering the foothills of the eastern Himalayas, stretching through Burma, Thailand, and Laos, Vietnam, and southern China. The Japonica variety was domesticated from the wild rice in southern China, which was introduced to India. Perennial wild rice still grow in Assam and Nepal. It seemed to have appeared around 1400 BC in southern India. After the domestication in the northern plains, it then spread to all fertile alluvial plains watered by a river. Some say that the word rice is derived from the Tamil word eraisi. Key points of related to rice cultivation origin. Paddy grains found during the excavation of Hastinapur and around the 1750 BC, considered as the oldest sample in the world. Southwest Himalayas has various type of varieties indicate probable center of origin. De Candola and Watt mentioned South India, it is the center of rice origin. And Wavell, according to Wavell, suggested that India and Myanmar should be regarded as the center of origin of cultivated rice. Importance of rice. Rice has shaped and culture, diet and economic thousands of millions of people. For more than half the humanity, rice is life. Considering its importance position, the United Nations designated year 2014 as an International Year of Rice. In 2004 2004 क्या है इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ राइस International Year of Rice 2004. Importance of rice are as follows. Rice is an important staple food for more than 60% of the world people. In 2008, more than 430 million metric tons of rice were consumed worldwide, according to USDA. Ready-to-eat products, from example, puffed rice, starch of rice flakes, canned rice, and the fermented product are rice straw is used as cattle feed, used for the hatching roof in the cottage industry, for preparation of hats, mat, rope, and sound-absorbing straw board used as a litter material. Rice husk is used as an animal feed for paper making and as a fuel source. Rice bran is used in a cattle poultry feed. Defatted bran, which is rich in protein, can be used in the preparation of biscuits and cattle feed. Rice bran oil, rice bran oil is used in soap industry. Refined oil can be used as a cooling medium like cotton, seed oil, corn. Rice bran wax, a byproduct of rice bran oil, is used in the industry. Scientific name that the two major rice varieties grown worldwide today are Oryza sativa indica and Oryza sativa japonica. Indica and japonica are these two varieties grown worldwide. The two cultivated rice species Oryza sativa and Oryza glabrima belongs to the species called Oryza sativa complex together with the five wild taxa Oryza rufipogna, Oryza longistemina, Oryza Barthi or the chair or the Glumepethla study and grows Oryza meridionalis. And among these taxa, only Oryza rupipogona produce fertile F1 hybrid with the Oryza sativa. And therefore, these two species are considered to belong a single biological species. Together with the all circumstantial evidence, this suggested that Oryza rufipogon is the ancestor of the Oryza sativa. Similarly, it leaves no doubt that Oryza barthi is the ancestor of the African rice, Oryza glabrima. Botanical description: when a rice grain germinated in a well-drained upland soil, the sheath coryza emerges. If it germinated in a submerged lands, colectile emerges ahead of the coryza. आपको इस सेंटेंस से क्या समझ में आया कि व्हेन राइस ग्रोन इन वेल ड्रेन, जब यदि राइस को वेल ड्रेन सोइल में सोइंग की जाती है तो फर्स्टली क्या आता है, कोलराइजी में शीत इमर्ज होती है। यदि राइस को हम सबमर्ज कंडीशन में ये लो लैंड्स के अंदर सोइंग करें तो पहले क्या आएगा, कोलेप्टाइल मींस स्टेम। दो पार्ट होता है, कोलराइजी एंड कोलराइजा इन राइस रूट सिस्टम। इसलिए वेल ड्रेन सॉइल के अंदर कोलराइजी आएगा, इमर्ज होगा फर्स्टली, एंड लो लैंड कंडीशन में कोलेप्टाइल इमर्ज होगा, देन आफ्टर कोलराइजी इमर्ज होगा। द प्राइमरी embryonic roots radicle comes out through the coryza shortly after its appearance. This followed by two or more secondary roots, all of which develop lateral roots. The embryonic roots later die and are replaced by the secondary adventitious roots produced from the underground roots of the culm. Shoot system collectively applies to all plants visible above the ground level. It is mainly composed of the culm, leaf, inflorescence. Rice inflorescence is known as panicle. Climatic requirement for the rice crop. In India, rice is grown under widely varying conditions of the altitude and climate. Rice cultivation in the India extends from the 8 to 35 degree north and latitude from the sea level to as high 300 meters. Rice crop need a hot and humid climate. It is best suited to regions which have high humidity, prolonged sunshine, and assured supply of water. The average temperature required throughout the life period of the crop range from the 21 to 30 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature which the crop can tolerate for 40 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Temperature at different stages. Minimum temperature for sprouting is 10 degrees Celsius at the time of drilling. At the time of drilling, temperature 10 degrees Celsius required. The crop requires high temperature than for growth. Minimum temperature for flowering range from the 22 to 23 degrees Celsius for flowering. Temperature requirement for blooming is in the range of 26.5 to 29.5 for blooming. Minimum temperature for grain formation from 20 to 21 degrees Celsius. At the time of ripening, the temperature should be between 20 to 25. Photoperiodically, rice is short day plant. However, there are varieties which are non-sensitive to photoperiodic condition. Important growing ecology of rice. Rice farming is practiced in several agroecological zones in India. No other country in the world has such diversity in the rice ecosystem than India, because cultivation is so widespread. In development of 4 distinct types of ecosystem has occurred in India. First one, irrigated rice ecosystem, rainfed, upland rice ecosystem, rainfed lowland rice ecosystem, and flood-prone rice ecosystem. These are the ecosystem prevail in India. Varieties. The important varieties of basmati rice is notified under the Seed Act. 1966 are Basmati 386, Basmati 217, Ranveer Basmati, Colonel Local, Tararui Basmati, Basmati 370, Type 3 Dehraduni Basmati, Pusa Basmati 1, Pusa Basmati 1121, Punjabi Basmati 1, Haryana Basmati 1, Ranveer Basmati IET 11348, Kasturi Mai Sugandha. These are the variety. Thank you guys. If you have any query, any doubt about regarding this session, please write in comment box.